Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today your girl is doing an update video. I don't remember the last time I've done an update video, but when the hair is as gorgeous as this hair is, then your girl had to do an update video for you guys. And so I'm just glad that the company wanted me to do one, because honestly y'all, I've been rocking this hair almost daily. Like, unless I have to take the hair off to film another review, this is the hair that you will see me in at work, at home, after hours. Like, this is the hair, okay? So I already reviewed this hair. This is actually the TINASHE hair 250% Kinky Straight unit. And so I reviewed this hair, I want to say a few videos back, and so I decided to go ahead and wash this hair up. So this is what the hair looks like freshly washed. Honestly, I haven't done anything to the hair besides put the hair on my head, and I've already used the bowl hole glue to adhere the wig to my head, and then I did a few baby hairs. And so look y'all, like, do y'all see that? With this unit, honestly y'all, like, y'all can't tell me nothing. So that's why I've been rocking this unit the way that I have, because this unit is just amazing. Like, I love the feel of the unit. I love the natural kinky texture to it, the thickness of it, the volume, as well as the length. And so I'm not really sure. I think this is either 22 inches or 24 inches. Let me check. This is 22 inches. So it's a 360 lace wig, and it's 22 inches, and it's 250% density, like I told you. It also says that it's a Brazilian kinky straight. And so yeah, I decided that I'm just gonna go ahead and do a middle part for you guys. I think last time it was a side part. I'll make sure to include that later on in the video. But yeah, so I decided I think I'm just gonna do a middle part. Last time, I don't even think I'm trying to remember if I used a hot comb to it. I know that I used a flat iron, but I used a hot comb to it one of the other times that I used it, and I was like, it just literally melts. Like, this is my hair, like it's coming out of my scalp. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the hot comb today. I have both my flattener, what is this called, flat iron, and the curling iron. So I haven't decided exactly what I'm gonna do. Probably use this to straighten it out a little bit more, but then I'm also going to add a few curls. I know that on my pictures on Instagram, one of the questions that I received a lot was, can you curl the unit? So I'm going to curl it on camera so that you guys can get a whole little, you know, tutorial or a quick look at how this hair curls. So yeah, if you guys have any more questions about this hair, feel free to definitely ask me down in the comment section. I've worn this hair for probably like a solid month now, with only a few breaks in between. So I'm pretty well versed in this hair and the quality, and I haven't experienced not too much shedding. I know I experienced a little bit of shedding, but I don't even think it was shedding. It was probably like more so breakage in the hairline area, and that was just because of how I rub the lace when I'm trying to get the bowl hole glue. So I don't think that it's a con of this hair or the company. It's just how I use it. I'm kind of rough with it, but as you can see, like, it doesn't look like there's any hair missing. This hair is still very thick and voluminous, and so yeah, and it has a very natural luster to it. So yeah, I'm still loving it even a month or so later. And so yeah, hopefully you guys like this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys are thinking, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.